Alright guys, so to create this effect, I am on Capcut right now. So what you need to do is make sure you have an image, like a picture you want to use. You get my point? So I will click on new project right now. Then I will go to Capcut library because I want to select an image, a background image right here. So let me just go to background image. So to look at background here, let me just select an image. Maybe I want to use this one. I'll use this one right here. Then I'll bring it to Capcut. You get my point? So as you can see, this is a 3 seconds video. Once you bring in an image to Capcut, it automatically turns into a video. Yes, it turns to a video. So the next thing to do is to bring in the image I want to use. You get my point? So what I'll do right now, I'll click on this plus button and it will take me to my gallery. Then I'll bring in the image I want to use. So guys, this is the image I want to use. You get my point? So I don't really like this aspect ratio. So what I'm going to do right here is I will go to aspect ratio. I will select 3:4. You get my point? And then at this point, I will tap on the first layer. Then I'll use my 2 fingers to expand it, make it fit to screen, just like this. I can leave it like this. You get my point? Now I'll have to tap on this one also, then expand it, make it fit to screen. You get my point? Something like this. Then I'll bring it down, adjust it to how I want it to be, depending on how you want it to be. So I want my own to be like this. You get my point? So that's very, very okay. So the next thing for you to do, you tap on the character layer. Now this is the character layer. You can position it anywhere to centralize it. Go and look for overlay. So you go look for overlay. Alright, so see overlay here. You click on overlay. So it's going to bring it down. To place one finger on it, hold it, drag it to align with the background. You get my point? That is very, very nice. That's okay. So the next thing for you to do is to tap on the second layer, which is the character layer. Guys, I hope you are following. Guys, please wait. If you've not liked this video, it means, guys, you are not wishing me well. Please like and share. I'm teaching you, I'm giving you updates. So like this video. Once you like this video, YouTube will circulate it, will make it get to a wider audience. We need to grow. So like this video and comment what you think about this video. Let me know in the comment section. You get my point? So that is just it. So once you tap on this particular character layer, go and look for remove BG. Where is it? Look at it here. So at this point, you tap on auto remover. Then you allow it to remove the background completely, just like what you see here on your screen. You get my point? So you can now click on OK. So when you click on OK, now this is very, very nice. Very, 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 very nice. You get my point? Alright, so now you click on this navigation button. Let's go back. You get my point? So what you do next is to go and look for duplicate. You click on duplicate just like this. You get my point? And now this time around, what you need to do is to tap on mask. That's on the duplicated layer. Now click on horizontal. So at this point, what you need to do here is to tap on the adjust button. Now go to rotate. You get my point? Now rotate it because we need this particular side. As in, leave it at 90 degrees. You get my point? Now click on feather, shift it towards this part you want to write something. Towards this part here, maybe you can leave it somewhere at 300 and maybe 320. Let it be at 320. You get my point? Now go to feather. Now on the feather, you increase the feather to 20. Increase the feather to 20. Yes, leave it at 20. Now click on OK. You get my point. And now tap on this OK button. This is what you're going to get. Now the next thing for you to do is tap on it, bring it down to align here. You get my point. So that is just it. Now you will tap on the second layer. When you tap on the second layer, you go to mask also. Go to mask. Now tap on mask. Click on horizontal. So what you need to do is to tap on it to adjust. Click on rotate. So you are going to turn it this other way around, like this. You get my point. 90 degrees also. This one is minus 90. Minus 90. Guys, I believe you are enjoying the tutorial. So you click on position. Now you are going to shift it like this. I'm gonna shift it like this. You get my point. Shift it like this. Just keep shifting. You get my point. You just shift it. No, the first one was at 320. So you can leave this one at 330. 330. So you click on OK. Let's see what's gonna look like. So you see we have a demarcation right there. So you tap on it again. Now go to the mask. Go to mask. Where is mask? Click on mask. Tap on it. Click on fader. Now you adjust the fader. The fader can be at 15. You get my point? Then you can leave it right there. You can leave it right there. That is fine. Ha ha ha. Guys, I believe you are enjoying this tutorial. Now, I don't want this video to be very long. So what we are going to do right now is to tap on the third layer at this point. Now go to remove BG. Go to remove BG. Where is remove BG? Tap on remove BG. Now tap on chroma key. You get my point. So you are going to select here. Move it to the body. To the body of the character. Just like what you see me do right now. You get my point. So you move it to the body. Then you are going to increase the intensity to 30. Either 30 or 29. Just move it. So you leave it at 30. You get my point. So that is just it for that one. So you click on OK. You get my point. So now the next thing for you to do right here is for you to export this video. You are going to export this video. So you click on export now and you are going to export it. So that is very okay. Now what you are going to do next is for you to click on done. Now tap on new project. Go and import the same background you imported before. Remember the aspect ratio you use. You get my point. So that's what I'm going to do now. Go to library. Then go to that background. Where is that background? So this is the background we use. You get my point. So this is it. Let's go to aspect ratio. So tap on aspect ratio. We used 3:4. So you select 3:4, tap on it and expand it to fit to screen just like before. You get my point. So this time around you are going to overlay the one you just saved, the video you just saved. So click on overlay, click on add overlay and bring that video you just saved. Alright, so look at the video we just brought here to Capcut. So you're going to expand it, make sure it fits to screen just like this. You get my point. So now the next thing you are going to do right here is for you to tap on it. You are going to duplicate this particular video you just brought in. So go to duplicate, tap on duplicate. You get my point. So this time around you are going to tap on this one, the duplicated layer. Understand? So you will still have to go to mask. Where is mask? Alright, so see mask here. So at this point you are going to click horizontal again. Then you are going to tap on adjust, rotate it, make sure you rotate it to 90 degrees, just like you did before. Understand? 90. So leave it at 90. You get my point? Now click on position. You are going to adjust it like this. Adjust it like this to this part. So we are targeting the line. It was 100 and 320. So now this is 320. You get my point? So we are going to click on the feather. This time the feather is going to be 10. You get my point? You tap on OK. Now click on OK here. Still come here to remove BG. Go to remove BG. Where is remove BG? Tap on it. Now go to chroma key. So this time around you are going to the black. You get my point? You are going to the red color picker. Move the color picker to the red. You get my point? Now you are going to increase the intensity to 30. Now you tap on OK. So you can tap here, bring it down to join here. You get my point? You get my point? It's like you don't get my point, but I believe you get my point. Now tap on the second layer. When you tap on the second layer, you do the same thing. Now go to mask. Guys, take your time. You are going to do it. You get my point? So you just click on it like this. So what you are going to do, tap on adjust, click on rotate. So you are going to do it the same way you did first one. Reveal it like this, minus 90. Now go to position, minus 90. Go to position. Now adjust it, bring it down here. Bring it down here. You get my point? Just try to get to the line. You get my point? So what you need now is the line. Target the line. So we can leave it at 340. Now click on OK. Let's see what we got. You see what we got? So that's fine. So now what you're going to do next, go to remove BG. Where is remove BG? Where is remove BG now? Click on remove BG, click on chroma key. Now tap on the character space. Tap on the character space. So you are going to leave it somewhere here. Then you can increase the intensity a little. You get my point? Increase it a little. Understand? Not too much. A little. So you can decide to move the color picker. Find somewhere, because it's not every part of the face that's going to work with the color picker. Understand? So you can just look for a better position like this. So you set it so it will not be too much. Maybe from this particular part here, if you increase the intensity, you're going to have something like this. Now the intensity is not supposed to be too much. Understand? So leaving it right here will give you what you want. Understand? So from there, when this is done, you can now come here, click on this navigation button. Let's go to text. Now go to text. I add Mr. Cray. I'll remove the 10. You get my point? Now go to font. I like to use ethnocentric. So I'll click on search. So I'll click on ethnos. Oh, I did not on my data. So I need to turn on my data right now, man. So I'll click on refresh. Just like this. Give it a little time. So ethnocentric, look at it here. I tap on it. Then from here, I am going to select it, turn it like this. I'll make it bigger. Come right here. You get my point? And then I'll leave it here, something like this. Understand? So at this point, what I need to do again is to come over to, I'll click on cancel here. Now come to style. Click on this first one here. Understand? Now I will want the text to be black. Understand? Now go to stroke. I want the stroke to be white, but I'll reduce the width. Understand? I'll reduce the width I would use the width to somewhere 10. Understand? You get my point. Then I can decide to, let me check on this other color. I think this color is fine, not that complete white. You get my point. And I'm going to leave it right there. Then this is just it. You can expand it based on how you want it to be. So guys, this is it. You get my point. Look at it here. Don't you like what you see? So guys, when you are done with everything, this is what you are going to get. You get my point? So from this point, you can export this video. Just click on export and export this video to your gallery. And we are not done. Understand? We want to go to the last step. You get my point? So when you click on done right here, now you need to click on new project and import the original image, the one you use for this. You get my point? So I'm going to do that right now. Alright, so look at it. I had to bring in the original image and the one we just exported. You get my point? So look at them here. So we will go to aspect ratio. You know, our original aspect ratio is 3:4. So you tap on that 3:4 and you expand it. Expand it to fit to screen. You get my point? Then you bring it down. So tap on OK. Now come to this other one. Let's see if they are the same ratio. You get my point? So what we are going to do here, we are going to tap on this one here. Now go to overlay. Go to overlay. Click on overlay. Now drag it here. You get my point? So this is what you're going to get. So you click on mask. When you click on mask, click on horizontal. You get my point? Now click on adjust and click on rotate. So at this point, you are going to rotate it to minus 90. So this is it, minus 90. You get my point? Now click on position. Move it to the beginning. Move it to the beginning of this particular, it will take you to the end. That's minus 999. You get my point? Then you are going to add keyframe at the beginning of the second layer. Then move the video a bit. You get my point? You can just move the video, or you can decide not to add keyframe at the beginning. Let me undo. Then you move a bit like this. Then you add keyframe right here. You get my point? Then move the video a bit towards the end. You can leave it somewhere here. You get my point? Then you readjust this. Understand? Just move it, move the position to make sure it reveals the one you just edited. You get my point? So you just keep shifting it like this to get to the end. Understand? So this is what you're gonna get. So this is okay. So at this point, you can even click on the fader button and add fader 10. You can add it just 10. You get my point? And then you click on OK. So when you click on OK, this is what you're gonna get. If you play the video, you're gonna have something like this. So guys, I believe you love what you see, and please make sure you like and share. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop another amazing update like this. You get my point? So I'm going to export this to my gallery just like this. You get my point? So without wasting much time, see you in our next video. Ha 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 ha.